Yo, yo! Hello, friends and classmates. This is student ID number 95-57605, aka Cornelio. To those who don't recognize me anymore, kahuya nyo man. Jokes lang. And besides me is my forever partner in crime, my ex-girlfriend, turned asawa of 25 years as well.
Hi, this is student ID number 9590012, aka Marifi. Pasensya lang kamo nga we couldn't be there with you all to celebrate this very special occasion. 25 years really did go by in a blink of an eye.
AKA kasap mata.
Doon sa San Olan to nga, ratada sa may bench sa sang co-op, nagatulutambay, or sa kay Chat Mel's, naga-enjoy from some refreshments.
I wonder what kind of refreshments those were. In this day of celebration, we also remember those dear classmates who are no longer with us. But we are heartened by the memory that their memory lives on with us, and also the spirit of our youth in everything we do.
So please padayon lang kamo da sa pagkasadya. Please enjoy the drinks, enjoy the food, the chismis, and each other's company.
Just want to say we miss you all. Halong kamo pirmi batch 95. Peng and me are proud gid nga isa kami sa inyo. May hamalong ka pa, Peng?
Wala na goro, let's just celebrate the 25 years.
Cheers sa ating barkada. Cheers sa ating batch.
Cheers.
Happy reunion, everyone.